Hello everyone, in this video I will review the Darwinbox app. Darwinbox is a comprehensive HR management platform designed to streamline various HR processes within organizations. It offers a range of features including attendance tracking, leave management, payroll processing, and performance evaluations. The platform is accessible via both desktop and mobile applications, providing flexibility for users to manage HR tasks on the go. Users have reported that Darwinbox is user-friendly and easy to navigate, even for those who are not particularly tech-savvy. Additionally, the platform's customization options enable organizations to tailor the system to their specific needs and workflows. However, some users have noted areas for improvement. For instance, the desktop version could benefit for enhanced performance, as some users have experienced slow load times and occasional glitches. Additionally, while the mobile app is convenient, it may lack certain features available on the desktop version, leading to a slightly inconsistent user experience across platforms. In terms of customer support, Darwinbox generally receives positive feedback, with users highlighting the responsiveness and helpfulness of the support team. Nonetheless, there are occasional mentions of delay in resolving issues, suggesting there is a room for improvement in this area. Overall, Darwinbox is a robust HR management solution that offers a wide array of features to streamline HR processes. While some areas could be enhanced, particularly regarding platform performance and feature consistency across devices, the platform's strengths in usability and customization making it a valuable tool for organizations seeking to optimize their HR operations. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.